Okay, so here I am with a new week. Um, it's actually pretty straightforward day. I'm recording a little bit late because I was busy here with my child and was outside and everything. But I was pretty much done 10 minutes within the session, and I also in this bar here, when it was basically before it closed, I locked myself out, and I was explaining why. Initially, I took a first trade, and it was a loss. I think it was these two trades here. Basically, it was like minus 80 or 90. I'm not 100% sure. And after that, I noticed that the market was. I took initially a buy, which then I got stopped out here, and then I noticed the market was coming for these highs here, but it wasn't really feeling strong or anything. So I noticed that. And then I just decided to short. I short here, and what I was going for it was initially for this retest here, and also the gut feel. But of course, didn't have in mind to hold the whole thing. But yeah, point is on the second trade, I took like around 200 plus, around 200, yeah, like win. So I mean, basically, I got into green and also recovered the drawdown and everything. And I noticed that after that, this bar really closed nicely, and then I wanted to take a continuation on this bar here. I took two break even trades here, so I noticed that I was feeling a little bit anxious, so I decided to just lock myself out of the trading session. I think that was the right decision, not because of I was scared or something, but I noticed that that was not the way that I should be feeling when I'm trading. So yeah, I decided to call it a day, also because when I have my child here and this week is a little bit kind of hectic, and I'd rather just try to keep it tight. And now also since yesterday the time has changed again, so in my time the market is opening 4:30. That's actually why I have divided the session like this here. But yeah, nothing else to add. I was feeling good overall. I think like I catch pretty good trade, and I read the direction nicely at the open. So yeah, I think it was a good call. Short day, and I did what I had to, and yeah, I've been feeling quite comfortable. Um, like overall when trying to catch a decent trade at the beginning of the session and then just calling it a day. I think that's so far working for me. Today, like I said, these break-even trades that I took here, I think I shouldn't have taken them, maybe, but then I still did. I don't think they were like the worst of the trade that I have taken, but the thing is, regardless of them working, for example, here in this second bar, I had like 100 or something that I then just lost it pretty much into break even. But the thing is, like the trade themselves, they were not bad, but the point was that I was feeling like I was chasing, and that's when I felt wrong. So anyway, I think I did the right thing by locking myself down, and I really like that. And one thing I wanted to remind myself of is that uh, this platform actually has something that is really nice that I've been training a little bit, and it is basically that I am replaying sessions, like for example during this month or whatever. So I'm pretty much just like going into replay mode, and actually I find that really interesting. So yeah, I've been practicing quite a while. I actually this for example today I didn't take any notes, but next time I will practice when I have some time in the evening or something. I will be recording notes and everything. So I think that's pretty insightful for me. But yeah. Anyway, I'm calling it a day. I'm letting it be, and yeah, let's see what happens tomorrow. And well, just to remain transparent, these are the trades basically, and also well these statistics and whatever. But yeah, all right. Anyway, let's see tomorrow.